You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Austrian poet and novelist. If you want to learn more names from literature, including German or Austrian literature, make sure to stay tuned. So, German pronunciation, of course, they speak German in Austria. Rainer, not Rainer. I know it looks like Rainer, but no. Rainer Maria Rilke. Rilke. Rainer Maria Rilke. German pronunciation, English pronunciation, Rainer Maria Rilke. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.